welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be solving a wooden Anyways, this is called a Russian block. I'm gonna be opening this, then I'm going to be solving it back. I have a microphone so you can hear me better. Now we're just going to get the Okay, let's just put the camera. Yay. This is what it looks like first. This is so satisfying. This is so satisfying.
I love you, Shopee. Shopee, Daddy.
Thank you for Shopee sponsoring this video. Sponsor na agad ah. So satisfying. Oh. It already got wrecked. Oh. Oh. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's all wood. So that's good. Then we're just going to be removing the pieces, then putting it back together. Oh, I don't know if it can hold. Okay, we're back. We're going to do a voiceover. So yeah. You just see my mouth moving, but it's a voiceover. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, that's not good. Okay, oh, thank you. I'll just put the board back. Now, paper please. Thank you. We're gonna do that. So just follow the instructions and do it. This one here. Okay. Oh, like this. I think there's another red piece. Oh gosh. They all look the same. You think anything that looks... Oh gosh, dang it. Okay. This is a voiceover, so whatever I'm saying, it won't look like what I'm saying on the video because I'm going to be doing a voiceover. Because, you know, stuffy stuff. Okay. I'm going to get this piece. I'm following the instructions. I'm not just doing this by memorizing. I'm not really known as good in memorizing, so yeah, I'm not a good memorizer. Okay. Oh gosh, how did I do that? Like this? Oh gosh, okay. This is not good. So what am I doing? How did... Oh gosh. Oh, great. Use this. Just flip it up. Oh gosh. There we go. It looks like a 4. Remind me, it looks like a 4. I could be needing a small piece over here. Need a piece over here that would go over there. And this piece would go in between. And this piece would go over here. Then this little dude would go over here. Then black. This there. Okay, I'm lost. Okay, this is pretty fun, I guess. Oh no, let's push it back. Where am I? Info. Oh, well, I did something wrong. It goes like this. Wait, isn't that the same? Hold on a second. No, the long piece. The long piece. This. Oh, wait, no, that doesn't make sense. Oh, yeah, wait, it does. This goes here. I'm gonna be needing a piece. We go over. Oh, look how much I have done. Oh wait, now you don't see the upper piece. Hold on. There. This. Where are we? Orange part down, blue. Going over here. Then white piecey piece. Oh my gosh, I'm lost. Okay. I need to get this piecey piece. Then this piecey piece. Continuing with the blue piecey piece. Then I need this piecey piece to go on this piecey piece. Then I need this piecey piece to go on there. Oh gosh. Okay, this is touching there. I need an orange piecey piece. Over there. This piecey piece, which would go over here. A white piecey piece. This is literally so relaxing. Okay. Except for the fact that you're being timed. This piecey piece. Go over. Oh gosh. Go over here. Wait. Hold on. Wait, hold on a second. Red piecey piece. Go over here. Purple piecey piece. Wait a minute. Go like that. Okay, I'm getting distracted. How does... No, wait a second. Go here. Wait, what? I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Let me just do that later. Okay. Orange piece. Black piece. Let's put that down a bit. This piece. Go here. Green piece. There you have it. Solved already. So let's just fix the camera so you can see my face again. Oh, yay, you see me now. So, this. Now this. So yeah, I solved it in like, I don't know, 7 minutes according to my time. Oh, yeah. So, thank you very much for watching. This is Reindeer signing off. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I almost forgot about that. So, again, this is Reindeer signing off.